to James Island, which is basically right on the Rosario Strait. Our hope is to catch a dock there and maybe hang out for a couple of days. We need to be in Anacortes this Sunday, so that's the plan. We're gonna go get some fuel first, and then pump out, and then we'll be on our way. Weather looks like we might be able to do a little bit of sailing. We do have looking to get there at slack tide. Slack tide is around 1:30. James Island has a reputation for some pretty strong currents at the dock, so we'd like to get there. Hopefully there's no currents. So anyway, so we're gonna go get some fuel and off we go. Awesome. It is a busy day in the harbor today. It's Friday Harbor and it's Friday. Lots of boats. The fuel seaplanes, the fuel pump was fun to get to. So yeah. We are about an hour later than we thought we were going to be, but oh well, them the berries, as they say. So yeah, off to James Island today. So we got the Jones, we haven't been to John's, but we're going to James. Awesome. So we are sailing, and just as we set sail, look what's beside us. Oh my, it's a Washington ferry. So yeah, anyway, that's always fun. But they'll be passing us here in no time at all, so I'm not super worried about it. So, well, we made it out of the San Juan Channel. Still under sail. The wind is definitely dying down a little bit here as we hit the confluence between it and Lopez. So we'll see what happens. So, but yeah, hopefully we can continue to sail. That'll be great. Wow.
I came in, I got my bow in like everybody does, and you can't turn the stern. Right. It was like, are you kidding me?
Anyhow, we landed here in James, and look at who we found. Our buddies Jeff and David, so that's awesome. And we parked it okay. It wasn't the best
we had help.
Yep.
Friendly help.
Exactly.
Three gentlemen on the dock here.
Awesome. And welcome to James Island, where we actually met with our friends from Sucia. We have a couple of flickers. We have our good friend here, Mr. Randy. Our good friend here, Mr. Dave, who's a YouTube influencer extraordinaire. Check out his channel. Also on a flicker. Our extremely
young sailing.
Yeah, good plug-in. Awesome. And then another good friend, Jeff, on his extremely fast San Juan, and of course, Artemis. So anyway, looks like it's going to be a beautiful day today. These guys are leaving. We will be leaving tomorrow, but yeah, it's been very nice hanging out with them. When we landed, we happened to see Jeff's boat, and I was like, hey, look, they're here. So, and it was good that we're here because it was a fun landing.
Yeah.
Awesome. So our friends are getting ready to take off. So looks like they're going to be going about 5 miles down to a little cove somewhere. And then they're going to go Deception Pass and then to the Swinomish Channel right back up to Anacortes. So we may see them in Anacortes. I think Jeff will be pulling out before we see him again, so I'm sure we'll see him sometime in the future. So it's been a lot of fun hanging out with him. So yeah, so real soon we'll watch our friends take off. We're going to scooch up a little bit on the dock just so we have the end position. And then tomorrow we will be leaving also. So friends have left, so we're gonna go out for a little hike on Jones James Jones Island. So it actually has a pretty nice little perimeter hike, so we'll go check it out. Yeah, so I found out that it's actually pretty deep all the way into the shore over here. So even at the kind of shore end of the dock, you don't really have to worry too much about the depth. So which is good to know. I did not know that coming in, so.
Oh, no.
Almost tripped. Almost tripped. Holy cow. So anyhow, a short walk from the dock.
I don't know, Mo. I think that root jumped up intentionally to snag you.
Okay, almost tripped. It's all good. So a short walk from the dock. You hit the other side of the island where there's actually some mooring buoys. So anyhow, a little out of breath. As always, a very steep ramp coming out right as you start your little hike. So yeah, and it shows. I'm not sure if you'd call this an isthmus or not. Most likely not, since it's an island. Or maybe, I'm not sure. That's a good question. So yeah, pretty cool.
1 mile?
Yeah, so we have a couple of trail options here. So I think we're gonna start with the Southwest Loop and check it out. So yeah, awesome.
Onward.
Yeah, nice view across the trail here. Kind of same vantage as before, but just a little bit higher up. And out there in the distance is Anacortes. Looks like the fog is starting to roll in. Pretty interesting. So from the shoreline, we kind of hit this nice foresty wooded trail. So the trail turns inland for a little bit. It's a nice little wooded trail. Love it. Especially coming from Arizona, these things are great. Nice soft dirt, not a bunch of rocks. A few tree roots though, but hey, it's all good. So yeah, the fog is really coming up. All of a sudden it's kind of pea soup out there. So go figure. Pretty interesting though. So a view across Anacortes is a view of the fog bank. So, and as we're walking on the trail, we find a bathroom. One of the many composting toilets you see around here in the San Juans. So, interesting enough, most of them don't smell too bad when you go inside. So, and as we're saying, wow, there's a toilet here in the middle of nowhere with a campsite. And guess what we see up front? It's our dock. So yeah, awesome. So there's a kind of a quick view of the docks from our little hiking area. So yeah, pretty cool. But yeah, as you can see to the left of us, there is pretty much nothing but fog. So yeah, you gotta love it. We're almost there, and it's a huge uphill to get back to the boat so we can then go downhill. It's all good. I just find it kind of funny, that's all. Oh my. Yeah, Kathy and I are both a little out of breath, and we still have to go up that a little bit. And you know, in this case, what comes up, Kath?
Must come down.
Yeah, awesome. And the trail keeps going up. I can only imagine what kind of a downhill it is on the way down. Holy cow. And because we're not really that far from the dock, so yeah, awesome. And all that climbing actually pays off. Here we have an awesome panoramic view of Artemis looking down on the dock, plus kind of the channel behind it. Fog's clearing up a little bit all of a sudden, so that's kind of cool. So I guess the climb was worth it. Now the question is, how is the downhill going to be? Looks like it's going to be kind of steep based on how close the docks are from here. Anyway, good times. Awesome. Wow, an amazing view of Artemis here up on the hill through the trees. That's pretty spectacular. Awesome. So the good news is that it wasn't super awful coming back. So there was a couple of tricky spots. So, but yeah, overall, nice little hike. So I think that's it for today, or at least this afternoon. And we may come back here later on this evening or not. We'll see. So, but yeah, really nice little island, that's for sure. Pretty cool. So we have completed the South Loop. We're back here where we started, at as I like to call the Isthmus. So yeah, pretty cool. Awesome. Great hike, by the way.